Lights of Lakeland, clever ways to save energy. Conserving energy can cost a lot of money sometimes with replacing old things, but there are some ways around the school that we can save energy without even spending any money, just using our brains. We broke everybody in our school up into 4 sections and labeled 3 ways that each of them could help conserve energy. We targeted the most important aspects and then labeled them 1 through 3. I hope this presentation helps you figure out how you can conserve energy for Lakeland Union High School. And don't forget, every penny counts. Custodians already do a lot around our school to help conserve energy, but there's a couple more ways that we came up with. The first is installing sensors in the hallway. When they don't detect movement for maybe 2 minutes, half the lights turn off. This could save so much energy that we aren't even aware that we're using. Another thing is put more trees on the north side of the building and less on the south side. We want the heat coming in during the winter, but blocking off the cold north winds. Install individual shower timers. As you know, there is one button in the shower that turns it on for about 5 minutes. Well, what if we had one button for each shower that turned it on for 5 minutes to conserve a lot more water? These are just some suggestions, and we hope you consider them. Student efforts. There are many, many ways students can help conserve energy at LUHS. These are just a couple. Do not waste your water or food. Don't play in the water fountain, and don't get food for lunch that you aren't going to eat. Politely suggest to teachers that not all the lights must be turned on. Teachers are normally pretty good about this during note time, but work time they turn them back on. Why not leave them off? Also, do not leave computers on when you are done, and only print when necessary. This is why we have our paper cut system. Printing costs money. Try and cut down. Teachers can conserve energy in many ways. These are just a few. Turning off some lights in the classroom while you're teaching can be an excellent and easy, quick way to save some energy, especially during work time. Turn off your computer when it is not in use. I have seen so many teachers leaving their laptops open, leaving the screen up when nobody was even using it. And turn off lights when you're leaving the room. Lots of times I think a teacher is still in a room even though they aren't because they leave the lights on. Lights use up a lot of energy that we aren't aware of. It's pretty easy to flip a switch. Try it.
The physical changes to the school I would like to make is plant more shrubs and trees on the north side of the school the shrubs would provide insulation for the school, and the trees would just block the wind and push it over the school, which would generally save us more energy. And I would like to replace towel dispensers with energy-efficient motion-detecting hand dryers. That would save us more money, and we could use less paper towels. And I would like to put more windows on the south side of the school. I would like to do that so we can have more solar heat coming into the school, so we can save money. And we could put energy-efficient blinds on there also to trap in the heat at night, so we can use our heaters less.